Welcome to our Specification Master channel. I hope you are all well. Today we will discuss China's military power. We know that China is also very strong in terms of military power. The country is ranked 3 among 140 countries. Air, naval, and finance are strong in all respects. Let's find out without delay that China is so strong. Manpower. Total population, 1,394,015,977. Available manpower, 752,768,628, 54.0%. Fit for service, 617,270,275, 44.3%. Reaching mill age annually, 19,752,649, 1.4%. Top military personnel, Est, 3,355,000, 0.2%. Active personnel, 2,185,000, 0.2%. Reserve personnel, 510,000, 0.0%. Paramilitarian, 660,000, 0.0%. Airpower. Total aircraft strength, 3,260. Fighter/interceptors, 1,200, 36.8%. Dedicated attack, 371, 11.4%. Transports, 264, 8.1%. Trainers, 405, 12.4%. Special mission, 115, 3.5%. Tanker fleet, 3, 0.1%. Helicopters, 902, 27.7%. Attack helicopters, 327, 10.0%. Land forces. Tanks, 3,205. Armored vehicles, 35,000. Self-propelled artillery, 1,970. Towed artillery, 1,234. Rocket projectors, 2,250. Naval forces. Total assets, 777. Aircraft carriers, 2. Helicopter carriers, 0. Destroyers, 50. Frigates, 46. Corvettes, 72. Submarines, 79. Patrol vessels, 123. Mine warfare, 36. Natural resources. Oil production, 3,775,000 barrel. Oil consumption, 13,500,000 barrel. Oil proven reserves, 25,630,000,000 barrel. Logistics. Labor force, 774,710,000. Merchant marine fleet, 5,594. Ports, trade terminals, 22. Roadway coverage, 3,860,800. Railway coverage, 86,000. Airports, 507. Financials. Defense budget, $178,200,000,000 US dollars. External debt, $1,598,000,000,000 US dollars. Foreign exchange/gold, $3,236,000,000,000 US dollars. Purchasing power parity, $25,400,000,000,000 US dollars. Geography. Square land area, 9,596,961 kilometers. Coastline coverage, 14,500 kilometers. Shared borders, 22,457 kilometers. Waterways, usable, 110,000 kilometers. Thanks for watching the video to the end. Please subscribe and share.